Looking for the best cardio exercises to lose weight? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the heart-pounding world of cardio workouts that don't just help shed those extra pounds but also improve your overall health and well-being. First up is the classic, running. It's a universal exercise that requires no special equipment, just a good pair of shoes. Start slow, perhaps with a brisk walk, then gradually increase your pace. Stay consistent, and soon you'll find yourself going farther and faster. Running not only burns on average about 700 to 800 calories per hour, but it also strengthens your heart and boosts your mood. Next on the list is cycling. This low-impact exercise is excellent for those who want to protect their joints while still getting a fantastic workout. Whether you're hitting the road or the stationary bike, cycling can burn between 500 to 600 calories per hour while toning your lower body and building endurance. Then we have swimming, a total body workout that's as fun as it is effective. This water sport exercises every muscle in your body, from your arms and core to your legs. It's also a great way to cool down on a hot day. Swimming can burn anywhere from 500 to 700 calories per hour while improving flexibility and reducing stress. Finally, we have high-intensity interval training, or HIIT for short. This workout involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by brief periods of rest. HIIT keeps your heart rate up, burns calories fast, and even continues to burn them after your workout. On average, you can expect to burn between 800 to 900 calories per hour with HIIT. Each one of these exercises brings its unique benefits to the table, but they all share one common factor. Consistency is key, so choose an exercise that you enjoy and stick with it. Remember, it's not about how fast or how far you go. It's about making a commitment to your health and sticking to it. So, what are you waiting for? Lace up those running shoes, hop on that bike, dive into the pool, or start that HIIT workout. The best time to start is now. Make the most of today and make a promise to yourself to be better, stronger, and healthier. Your future self will thank you. Until next time, keep moving, keep sweating, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself. Your fitness journey starts today.